baths. Hopefully it washes them away, but at the very least it will make them wet or dusty and slow them down for a while. But for how common bird baths are, there has been no scientific experiment which has locked down exactly why birds take baths. We can just speculate for now. If you're looking for a research question about birds, this one is just waiting for you to go find the answer. This video relied on bird bathing footage from Koa Nature on YouTube. He's a really funny guy with an evolutionary biology degree, so if you want to see funny and educational videos about wildlife, you can see them on his channel. Here's a good video to start with.